So my name's Ben Earl. I'm Head of Sustainability for Abri Homes. We're a housing association covering the south of England. And I'm here today at NexGen in Romsey to have a look at their technology, to look at how this kind of technology could work for Abri, both in how we're retrofitting our homes. We're currently on a massive programme to retrofit all of our stock to EPCC by 2030. And we're looking at what the benefits will be for customers, how the technology works, whether it's affordable, both as for us as a company to invest in, but also what it will do to the bills for our customers. And then how this technology stacks up against other forms of retrofit. At the moment, we're putting in solar roofs and we're looking at what's the heating technology of tomorrow will look like. And so we're very interested to see what NexGen have been saying today. So the key thing about technologies such as NexGen is it can be part of a portfolio of solutions, because what we find is there is no silver bullet when it comes to retrofit. All homes are slightly different and customers use those homes in different ways. So we need to find the most appropriate combinations of heat and hot water combined with electricity demand to actually provide the long-term investment needed for the stock, but also what those impacts are for customers. And remember, it's not just the kind of physical retrofitting, it's then how customers use those gadgets going forward, if you like. And as our homes become more complex and become more of an ecosystem, it's that combination that's really, really important to get right to ensure good value for our customers going forward. So as an industry, we're working on retrofit and taking a series of solutions forward from a system where, you know, we had gas as the primary form of heating and electricity was provided from big central power stations. The grid is changing and the nature of using energy in our homes is changing. And one of the things we need to do is take our customers with us on that journey. So how we talk to customers, how we explain what's going on, how do we get them to often opt in to this kind of upgrade when you know that there's going to be elements of disruption and changes that perhaps they got to get used to. And that's something that we're always trying to perfect in Abri, because how customers perceive it and then the realities of what it means for them need to be communicated clearly. And so as a business, we see the relationship with customers as critical, not just in the lead up to any retrofit work, but also how is it actually bedding in, how are they finding it as a particular technology. So that's something that's very much in our minds.